You are going to love the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.